In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF viewer to your Wix website in just 5 minutes. This is a great tool if you want to display brochures, reports, or any other documents directly on your site for visitors to view or download. So, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Wix account. Once you're in, navigate over to your site's dashboard. This is where you can control every aspect of your site. Keep in mind that having a smooth navigation experience helps in efficiently managing your site's content and features. Now that you're in your dashboard, go ahead and click on Design Site. This will take you to the Wix website editor, which is essentially your playground for customizing your website. Here's where we'll make the magic happen. On the left-hand side of the editor, you'll notice a menu bar with several options. Look for the button that says Add Apps and give it a click. This section is like Wix's own app store, where you can find various tools and features to enhance your website's functionality. Next, in the search bar, type in PDF Viewer and hit Enter. You should see a list of results. Go ahead and select the app that fits your needs. Usually, the most popular and widely used option appears at the top of the list. Once you've found the right app, you'll see an option to Add to Site. Click on this button to install the app onto your website. The installation process is usually quick and seamless, but make sure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions. After installation, locate the app on your page. Click on it, and a menu should pop up with different options. You'll want to select Upload PDF. This is where you'll add the document you want your visitors to be able to view. You can either select a PDF from your existing files in the Media Manager, or you can upload a brand new file directly from your computer. Make sure the PDF you're selecting is the final version you want your audience to see, as refreshing or replacing files later may cause unnecessary hassle. Once your PDF is uploaded, it's time to choose a display style. Whether you prefer an inline view, full window, or just a simple button, each option offers a different experience for interacting with your document. Feel free to play around with the settings until you find what best fits your website's aesthetics and usability. Finally, it's time to see how your new feature will look to your visitors. Click on Preview to check out how the PDF is displayed on your site. If everything looks great, hit Publish to make it live. And there you have it. Your Wix site now has a fully functional PDF viewer, giving your visitors a seamless way to access important documents right from your web page. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.